flow problem. Now this can be applied for situations like situation of pipe network used to transfer fluid, for example oil, water from one location to another location. Here the maximum amount of flow in each pipe segment will be limited to a particular value depending on the diameter of the pipe in that segment or the slope of the pipe in that segment. The arcs are usually represented by Ij. The arc Ij means pipe segment between any two locations I and J. And this arc will have the following data: maximum permitted flow of fluid per unit time from node I to node J, and also maximum permitted flow of fluid per unit time from the node J to the node I. Now this is example 1. Here this 13 means 13 units of liquid can be flowed from node I to node J. For the second example, that means 12 units of liquid can be flowed from node I to node J, and 5 units can be flowed from J to I. Now the objective of the maximal flow problem is to find the maximum flow of fluid from a given source to a given destination node, and this can be solved by two methods. Here we are using maximal flow problem algorithm, and here we are using the algorithm named Ford-Fulkerson method. Only two steps are there, and this can be illustrated by using a example. This is the example. So consider the flow network given in the following figure, which gives information about capacities of flow of oil in both ways between different pairs of locations. Find the maximum flow of oil from location 1 to location 5. So this is the pipe network given. Here consider the node 1 and 2. Totally there are 5 nodes. We have to find the maximum amount of flow that can be transferred from node 1 to node 5. Here look at node 1, 2. In the nearer to node 1 there is a 5. That means 5 units can be flowed from 1 to 2 and 0 from 2 to 1. Similarly, for the arc 2 to 4, 11 units can be transferred from 2 to 4 and 3 units from 4 to 2, etc. Now the step 1 to solve this problem is to find a path, augmenting path from 1 to 5. So here 1 to 5 is a path. 1 to 5. From 1 to 2, 5 units can be transmitted, and from 2 to 5, 8 units can be flowed. So find the minimum of 5 and 8. So minimum is 5. So that means along the path 1 to 5, 5 units of liquid can be flowed from 1 to 5. So let that be F1. F1 equals 5. So along the path 1 to 5, the maximum flow we can send along this path F1 is minimum of 5, 8, that is 5. Now update the figure, like you subtract that 5 from the number 5 written near to node 1 and add 5 to the number written near to node 2. Similarly, for the arc 2, 5, subtract 5 from 8 and add 5 to 0. So the resulting figure is this one. So iteration 1 is over. Now for iteration 2, look at another path from 1 to 5. Here it is 1, 3, 5 is a path. 1 to 3, 20 units can be flowed, and 3 to 5, 8 units can be flowed, and minimum of 20 and 8 is 8. So subtract 8 from 20 and add 8 to 0 in the arc 1 to 3, and for the arc 3 to 5, subtract 8 from 8 and add 8 to 0, and here F2 equals 8, minimum of 20 and 8. So iteration 2, the path is 1, 3, 5, the maximum flow we can send along this path is minimum of 20 and 8. So let F2 equals 8. Then update the figure. So this is the updated figure. Now for iteration 3, again look for another path. Here 1, 3, 4, 5 is another path from 1 to 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 3, 12 is possible. 3 to 4, 3 is possible. 4 to 5, 10 is possible. So find the minimum of 12, 3, 10. So minimum is 3. So subtract 3 from 12 and add 3 to 8. And for the arc 3 to 4, subtract 3 from 3 and add 3 to 10. And for arc 4, 5, subtract 3 from 10 and add 3 to 0. So this is the updated figure. Again look for the path from 1 to 5. Here 1 to 3, 9 is possible, but 3 to 4, 0, 3 to 5, 0. So there is no path. Again look for 1 to 4. 1 to 4, 16 is possible, and 4 to 5, 7 is possible. So that is an augmenting path, 1, 4, 5. So minimum of 7 and 16 is 7, and let F is 7. F4 is 7. So 7 units of flow along this path. So subtract 7 from 16 and add 7 to 0 for the path 1 to 4, and for the path 4 to 5 subtract 7 from 7 and add 7 to 3. This is the resulting updated figure. Okay, again look for the path from 1 to 5. There is one path, that is 1 to 4, then 4 to 2, 3 is possible, and 2 to 5, 3 is possible. So this is a path 1, 4, 2, 5. 1, 4, 2, 5. So minimum of 9, 3, 3. 1 to 4, 9, 3 to 4 to 2, 3, and 2 to 5, 3. So minimum of 9, 3, 3 is 3. So let F5 is 3. F5 is 3. So this is the updated figure. Now no more path is available from 1 to 5. So there are no more augmenting path. So maximum flow value is 26. Adding all the 5 F values, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, the answer is 26. Now the second example, this is another way of representing network using arrow marks. So from node S to node 1, 4, that means from S to the node 1 we can transmit 4 units of flow, 4 units of liquid, but from 1 to S 0 units. Similarly with the other nodes. And this is solution figure. Here it is represented in another way. Here this 0 by 4 means 0 from S to 1 and 4 from 1 to S, like that. Here the answer is 6.